Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will tell you how to turn on NFC on Android 16. Let's begin. So probably the easiest way for you to turn on your NFC is simply expanding the control center, expanding it once again, and here you can see a little wallet icon. If you're not seeing it, you can always go to the pencil icon here. Let's say I will now remove it, and right under utilities you should see the wallet. Now it's important to note that this will only work after you have configured your Google Pay account and your whole Google Play feature while we are at it. So if you're wondering how to do that, well, that's a different tutorial that you can find on our channel. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Chciałbym zrobić film nie tutaj, ale